In this video, I'm going to show you how to customize your Shopify product page step by step. Whether you're new to Shopify or you just want to upgrade your product pages, this guide will help you create a better shopping experience that builds trust and can boost your sales. But before we begin, if you haven't signed up for Shopify yet, make sure to click the link in the description to access the $1 per month for 3 months promo. It's an amazing offer if you're just starting out your store. All right, without further ado, let's jump right into it. So first, from your Shopify admin, head over to the left menu and click on Products. So before you even start customizing the design of your product page, it is important to make sure you've added the proper product title, description, and images. So this step makes your product look more professional and trustworthy. A good product name is clear, a good description helps customers understand what they're buying, and strong images show your product from all the right angles. And once you're happy with how your product is set up, let's preview the product page. So to do that, look to the right side of your product settings and click on the eye icon beside the theme template. And once you've clicked it, this will bring you to your live product page preview. So right now your product page might look a bit empty, just a title, description, and images. There's no guarantee messages, no offers, no extra details. So now let's make it more compelling and polished. To customize the look and feel of your product page, click on the left panel, and then you'll see the different blocks that make up for your product page. Let's start adding new section to make it more informative. So click Add Block and select Icon with Text. This is great for showing quick highlights like guarantees or benefits. So once you've added it, you'll see it appear below the Share section. So on the right side, let's update the icons and text. So for the first icon, click it and change it to Stopwatch. And for the heading, type 30-day money-back guarantee. Once that's done, now add a second pairing. Change the icon to a truck and type free shipping available. And for the third one, change the icon to return and write 7-day easy returns. Also, you could also upload your own small icons or images here, but for now, let's keep it simple. Now that it's done, these small badges help build trust with your customers. They show that you stand behind your products and offer hassle-free service. And now let's add a frequently asked questions section to your product page using a collapsible row. So go to the left panel and click Add Section, and this time choose Collapsible Row. And then once selected, let's change the heading to FAQ. And in the content section, type a short frequently asked question, something like, what brand is this? Is this legit? How much can I really return this? Just an example. And add a short answer, but for this video, let's just type any letter. You can also add multiple rows here if you want to expand your FAQ. And once that's done, you have a product page with helpful facts section. Now let's take it a step further and add product reviews, which helps build social proof and makes your product page more persuasive. So to do that, let's exit the editor, then go to the apps section. It's on the left menu. And then let's install a review app. So there are a few options, but for this video, I'll just use Judge.me because it has a solid free plan and it works well with most teams. So search for Judge.me and click Install. And once it's installed, the app will walk you through a basic setup. So choose your preferred language, select your theme template, and click Start Setup. And now we'll go through the activation setup. So first, enable the app embed. Click the link and you'll be brought back to the theme editor. Toggle the app on and then click save. Next, go back and click install review widget. This adds the actual review section to your product page. And once it shows up, click save again. Now click install star ratings. So these are the stars that appear near the product title or price. And once you see the stars show up, click save. You'll also be asked to set your branding color, so you can leave this at default or match it to your theme. You can even upload your logo URL, but for this tutorial, I'll skip that and click continue. Next, you'll be asked to set the email timing for automatic review requests. So just select a delay that you're comfortable with, like 7 days after the purchase, and click finish. And now let's test if the app is working. So go back to the editor and from the left panel, click add block, choose star rating and drag it towards the top of the product layout, maybe just below the product title. Then add the review widget and place it below the product details. Or below your featured collection. Now click save and your reviews are now live. So now let's talk about increasing your average order value by offering bundles or volume discounts. To do this, go back to the apps section again and this time search for bundler product bundles. And then click install. And once the app is installed, open it and click create bundle. Since we're using the free plan, you'll see a couple of options like classic bundle and volume discount. So for this video, let's choose volume discount because this encourages customers to buy more by offering discounts on quantity. So enter a bundle name and title like buy more, save more, but this is already automated. So scroll down to volume discounts and adjust the quantity rules. Then scroll down to product selection section and choose apply this to all products or just select specific products if you prefer. Then click save bundle. Now go back to your online store and visit the product page. You should now see the volume discounts right on the page. So it's usually near the price or just above the add to cart button. All right, now let's do a quick recap of what we've done. We started by setting up our product page with a strong title, a clear description, and a high quality images. Then we customized the layout with icons, trust badges, and a collapsible FAQ section. We installed Judge Me to add reviews and star ratings for social proof. Then we added Bundler to offer volume discounts and bundles, a smart way to increase your store's average order value. So once you're happy with everything, don't forget to click save on the top right of the editor. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, feel free to give the video a thumbs up and subscribe for more Shopify tutorials. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.